So we have seen how to use HTTP module as a server. Now in this video we'll look at how to use Express as a server. Now you need to understand one thing, that Express is a third-party module, whereas HTTP is inbuilt within your node package. Okay, so I'll write the code to include it. Const express is equal to require in single quotes, and then we say express, and I'll simply save this, save as we said this is within your website folder, and the file name is server.js. okay, now I'll try to actually run this particular thing. Okay, so I'll say node server.js. okay, so it says error cannot find module express. So because it's a third party module, so we have to explicitly install it. So to install Express, you'll simply say npm install Express, that will do. Or you simply say, instead of install, you can simply say npm iExpress. okay, and then simply hit enter and let's see what happens. So the Express installation has started here. And that's it. There is a one warning, npm warning, website 1.0 no repository. That's okay for now. So added 50 packages from 37 contributors and audited 50 packages in 14.714 seconds, found 0 vulnerabilities. Okay, so this is how you install your Express into your project. Now what I will do is I'll run your previous command, which is node server.js. Now if you see, there are no errors because your Express is now, Express package in fact is now available within your project. And one more thing you can notice, within your package.json file there is a key value pair which is actually added to your previous lines, which is the dependencies, and it says Express 4.17.1. so this is because we have installed Express. So once we have included your Express, then what I'm trying to do is I'm declaring a separate variable for the port. So we have seen 4200 as a port number which we are using. So simply say const port is equal to 4200, and I'm creating an application and assigning here Express as a function. Now remember that Express is a middleware function and we'll talk about it in the later stage. And what I'm trying to do is we are making this application to listen. Okay, to listen to what? So listen to the port number, and also I'm trying to create a callback function. So we should simply say, I will go to a lowercase console.log, and it will say server started. Okay, so this is my code in server.js. We'll go ahead and then run this. Alright, now once we have written this code, now I will save this, save, and then I'll simply run this. So I will say node server.js. See, the output is Express server started. So this is what is expected out of your, this is the output expected out of your program.